In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Smartsheet. Appearance Settings 2026. If you spend a lot of time in Smartsheet, setting a theme that matches your style or improves readability can make a big difference. I'll walk you through how to find the appearance settings, preview your options, and save your changes so they stick every time you log in. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. This works on any modern browser, so use whichever you prefer. Once the page loads, sign into your Smartsheet account using your usual method. If your organization uses single sign-on, just follow the prompt. Otherwise, continue with your standard login. This part is quick and straightforward. After you're signed in, you'll land on your home screen. This is your starting point for accessing recent sheets, workspaces, and dashboards. From here, look to the left side of the screen and find the sidebar. Click the profile icon in that sidebar. Depending on your setup, it may appear as your avatar or initials. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it to see the icon clearly. In the menu that opens, select Personal Colors and Logo. This is where you'll control the overall look and feel of your account. You're working with personal appearance settings here, so your changes will affect what you see, not what your teammates see. Now you'll see a few preset themes you can choose from. Standard, Light, and Dark. Standard keeps things familiar, Light brightens the interface for a clean, airy look, and Dark reduces glare. Great for low-light environments or long work sessions. If you want more control, choose Custom. With Custom, you can set specific colors for the background and the taskbar. If you know the exact hex color code you want, maybe a brand color, you can paste it in for precise results. If not, use the color picker to explore shades until you find something that feels right. Aim for good contrast so text remains easy to read. As you try options, you'll typically see a preview, which helps you make confident choices before applying them. Once you're happy with your selections, make sure to save. Look for the Save or Apply button in this panel. Your changes won't go live until you click it. Finally, pick the theme you prefer and confirm that it's applied across your workspace. If you ever change your mind, you can return to Personal Colors and Logo and switch to another preset or adjust your custom colors. That's it. Your Smartsheet theme is updated and tailored to you.